Today, we're going to bring a professional hair clipper. Now, we're going to actually take a look at it and see how it works, but we're going to put it in the right hands. We're actually going to give it to a barber and start messing around, see what he can do with his magic with it and see how he likes it. So we're going to actually put it on a professional's hand. So not only does it say professional, we're going to test it out by a professional. So basically, they give you a bag, a little bag for all the trimmings, everything that comes in here included. They give you the instructions. They give you the actual different heads that it requires for the different levels that you need to cut the hair. They give you the charging station, mineral oil, so you could actually oil this up, and a little brush head too, so you could clean it up. Now, the system itself, I'm gonna show you guys a little bit thing. It has its weight because it has lithium batteries. Turning it on, you got two different bases. You could get closer, turn it on. You can get closer, you can get further. This is actually a lot of professionals use this kind of trimmer. Right now we're at 100%, right? Off and on is easy. There's a hanging clip here, two-prong connection for the actual power cord. And then you can remove the screws, clean up the rest of the head, oil it more, oil the inside. And this is very convenient to when you're cutting it, how much power you have left. So how many clients you have. You could probably have 2 or 3 ready in standby, 2 charging, 1 ready to go, and very simple, very inconvenient. And I like this part right here. To get that close-up edge, you pretty much go the further you are to get those nice fades. This is very convenient. I like this part too, the hanging part. You can just hang it on the wall, and they could be charging on the area. I like that it shows you that it's 100%. And then when it's charging, it shows you the actual charging setup, all right? So very inconvenient, easy to use. So let's put it on the right hands and see how well it works. Today, we're outside at a barber shop today. We're gonna test out the actual trimmers. We're gonna cut our hair and see how well it works. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Estoy cortando los poros largos, ¿ok? Vale.
99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.